Wow, may yellow zucchini. Ang daming bunga. Sana lumaki pa bago dumating yung malamig na weather. Wow, wow, wow. Ito. May malaki na rin. Ayan, ayan. Surprise, surprise. Wow, beautiful guys. Maka-happy indeed. So this one, ito siya. Pitasin ko na ito. Akin ka na. Para sa aking panihapon with my upo. Ayan siya guys, ang laki. Beautiful. Beautiful gold rush zucchini. It's a family of squash kalabasa also. Ayan. Thanks for watching. Love Nancy. Ayan, dito pa meron. So baka bukas ko na ito siyang pitasin. Ayan, ayan. So sweet and beautiful. Ang ganda. Ayan. Maka-happy. At least humahabol kahit ang weather malamig-lamig na. Thanks for watching guys. Love Nancy. Now it's time to pick my beans again. Ang dami pang bunga. Ayan, ayan. Ayan. So, ayan. Maraming salamat. Thanks for watching. Love Nancy. Ayan. This is yellow beans. The next one is my purple beans. I don't know. Ayan, konti na lang ang bunga. Bye for now. Love Nancy in my backyard.